Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use the game bar on your TCL C61B TV. If you want to quickly enable the game bar, press and hold the options key, which looks like 3 landscape lines. Hold them down, and this should make the game bar appear on your screen. But if you don't see it, just press this button once again shortly, and using the quick settings menu, navigate to the Game Master option, and make sure you have it set to either on or auto. If you have it set to auto and have your console connected to your TV should automatically recognize it as a gaming console and enable game mode. Otherwise, you can just select on, and this will enable game mode no matter what. After you enable the game bar by holding down the 3 stripes button, you'll be able to adjust your aiming aids, which will show a crosshair in the middle of your screen. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like. We can use gaming aid settings to adjust the crosshair looks, shapes, color, size, position, etc. Let's disable it. We also have the game picture modes, and we have 3 different game picture modes. This is the general picture mode for most games. Then we also have the FPS, which is more suitable for FPS games. And we have the RPG, which is more suitable for games like God of War or maybe Bannerlord. So RPG games may be Skyrim as well. Then auto low latency mode, which we can enable or disable. It's extremely useful for competitive games or games that require quick action from you and quick response from your TV. VRR, which is somewhat similar to auto low latency. Then shadow enhancement, which is basically a feature that will make your device brighter if you increase this value. This feature is useful in competitive games. If you are playing competitive games, you can set shadow enhancement to high, and this will make the darker corners of the map brighter, so it'll be easier to spot your enemies. But if you want your image to be more beautiful with more darkness where it's supposed to be, then disable this feature or set it to low shadow enhancement. Then in menu we can enable or disable the FPS meter. Although it says FPS meter, for some reason it shows the value in Hertz, and from what I know this value shouldn't change during gameplay, but I haven't tested it. We can enable HGIG, which is some enhancement for your visuals, and you can see what it looks like right here. Then we can also change the screen ratio in supported games, screen position, and theme style. The theme style of the game bar has 3 available styles: green, blue, and cartoon. Personally, I like cartoon. It looks like a Nintendo console thing for some reason. If you want to reset your game settings, just select Restore Default at the bottom. That's pretty much it. One last thing I should have mentioned in the beginning. At the top of your screen you can see all the quick settings applied in your game mode. That's basically how you use your game bar in your TCL TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.